Hey everybody, welcome back to Online Small Engine Mechanics. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick clip on how to fix a common problem on these Tecumseh snowblower engines, and this has to do with when you change the oil. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have seen this before, and it's the end of the season, you're going to change your oil, and this is the oil drain spout right here, and you go to take the bolt off, and the shaft starts spinning. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix that, and it's a super easy quick tip. So what you're going to want to do first is tip the snowblower so the front of it is sitting on the ground and the rest of it's up in the air. And then you're going to want to take a ratchet with a 16mm socket and put it on the drain spout and take it all the way out. You don't have to worry about any oil leaking out because it's on the end. All the oil is at the top of the crankcase right now. Once that's out, you take that out. See, there's no oil anywhere. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get yourself some red thread locker, and this is the permanent stuff, the high strength, to keep that in there. That way this never comes out again. So I'm going to lap this in some red thread locker, and we're going to put it back in and let it sit. All right, once you have your threads a little bit lapped up in the thread locker, you can go ahead and reinstall it onto the engine and make sure it's tight. Don't over tighten it though, because you could snap it off. And now we're going to let this sit for probably about 30 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and show you what happened. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes, and now we're going to see if it's just going to be the bolt that moves and not the whole rod. So let's try it. Oh yeah. There we go. That's all it is to fixing that common problem on these Tecumseh engines. So I hope I helped you out with this tip. If I did, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, please comment and like the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.